Alright, welcome back to another video. I'm exhausted. I just finished mowing the lawn, like quarter to 3/8 of an acre. Anyway, today, before I go inside for the day, because it's hot, but it's not the hottest. All this is not my sweat, by the way, so no need to be alarmed. This is I went to the hose and hosed myself down. Anyway, task at hand. So today's the day that I'm gonna put the bed back on. I want to do it before the weekend. The weather is good, the driveway is clear, and just optimal conditions right now. I'm tired, but I gotta push through it just to do this. Did some touch up on the bed. I don't even know if I'm in the frame. Did some touch up on the bed with the rust reform, and there's just a little bit of rust spots. I showed it in another video, so I just want to clean that up a little bit. Did some final finishing touches on the inside of the bed, on the underneath of the bed. But other than that, we're ready to go. I'm not going to paint the underbed gray. I know that was a goal of mine. I even was talking about painting the back wall of the cab. You know, I just touched up the rust spot, and I'm just leaving that. Like, this is not a show truck, this is a shop truck. So, and an experiment, you know. So I'm about to continue with this experiment and mounting the bed back on. I'm trusting that the fuel gauge is where it should be, and yeah, let's just go from there. The only hard thing about doing this is going to be putting the bolts on. Jeez, I'm tired. About putting the bolts on, maybe I should wait, honestly. No, it's... Anyway, we're just going to do it. We're just going to push through. Push through, push through, push through. It shouldn't take too much work. You know, I'm not going to put on, I don't have to put all the bolts, but, you know, I'll put the key ones on. Keep it moving. Anyway, so let's just get started.
The wheel when it's clear. Yeah. All right. There you go, so I can get some mud.